everyone. Today is Friday and the market is going to close by 9 p.m. today for the week. So there are some stocks I'm going to be showing you that are actually making very wonderful moves, very wonderful moves. And one of those stocks is Meta, that is Facebook. You can see the market is closed and Meta dropped just minus 1.1%. But I tell you, by the time the market opens, it's going to trace its line back. Meta is about to hit $700. Remember last year I told you guys that Meta will touch $1,000 per share before and above before it's going to split. But that is not the reason why I'm making this particular video today. Making this video to show a lot of you some stocks that you should focus on. Penny stocks and very good growing stocks that you should add to your portfolio. And one of them is Sanhond. I've mentioned Sanhond, and currently Sanhond is just $9.49. If you are buying any of the penny stocks, this is one stock that you should buy. This stock, they focus on building AI, artificial intelligence, on sounds, and these sounds will be, in fact, it's currently being implemented and installed in different sophisticated vehicles like Cybertruck, that is Tesla's trucks, and even restaurants, hotels, and many other agencies and companies that are going to be patronizing this particular investment. These are innovation for people to be able to start buying things even while you are driving. You can use sounds. You can just talk, enable the device. You'll be able to place order by talking to it. So these are inventions that has future. And then I have eToro. eToro is a trading platform that currently have their stock being listed just few weeks ago. It's not up to 2 months. It's not up to 2 months. Just approximately 1 month that it just been listed in the market, and you can see where it is. It has gone up and down, and now where it is right now. So if you are buying any stock that is a kind of IPOs, eToro is one of those stocks that you can add to your portfolio. And then APLD is Applied Digital Corporation. That is also another wonderful and amazing company that you should add to your portfolio. These are stocks that we are actually buying right now. You can see when this stock, I think it was last April, yes, April, it's almost 2 months now. April, it was almost $4. I think I bought $4 for this particular stock. Yes, I bought around $4, and some other persons $3 plus, and today look at what it is. So I have this particular stock in my portfolio and some other of my account. Then yes, you should also this is US dividend equity. A lot of my investors have actually bought this particular stock. You add this to your portfolio as well. This stock grow based on dividends. You grow dividends in US different equities, and it's an ETF are exchange traded funds, and this stock is wonderful for you to add to your portfolio. I'm watching CoreWeave. Because it has gone almost the highest point and is trying to drop down. This is a stock that was just listed less than 2 months. It was listed late March, and you can see what it's actually doing. I'm going to buy this particular stock into my portfolio, but I'm waiting for it to drop to the in fact, if not, below the intrinsic value, but at least the fair value, then I'll be able to buy this particular stock. And so many other stocks that I've actually pointed out. This is BBAI, that is BBN. BBAI Holding is a stock that gone up, that was last year, and it's down right now. And I'll tell you, if you're going to buy this particular stock, this is the right time to target it and then get it into your portfolio, because it's going to also trace its way back to $11, $12, $10, as the case may be. So if you buy this stock at this time and you're able to buy a chunk of it, and it touches $5, you have made a huge amount of money. Yes, because these are penny stock that has potential to grow, even though that they were down at some point, but now you are buying at the lowest price of it. It's good to add it to your portfolio. The same with WeRide. WeRide is a Chinese company that has, in fact, preparing to do something wonderful. I think around February, this particular stock was trading around $16. So being at $8.07, we definitely take it back to, if not $10, $12, $15, and $16. Yes, that's going to be. So you buy it now, you're buying as is below intrinsic value. So guys, I'm sharing all this one so that you'll be able to pick up the step and then make sure you are able to get all the stocks into your portfolio. The Nigerian stock today is Salah, and Monday is also Salah. The Nigerian stock is going to remain closed till Tuesday. So, but the US stock market will be opened. So, for those who have been struggling on how to fund their portfolio, this is how it is. Like I said, if you are funding your portfolio, we are focusing more on foreign stocks. And for you to buy foreign stocks, you must enable your US portfolio. See why I did it? US portfolio. So for you to go ahead and fund, you have you have different options: Naira funding and then dollar funding. We use Naira. You just tap on Naira. You can see it will give you three options on Naira: bank transfer, Naira card payment, and PayCard. We use bank transfer. You just tap on proceed. And enter the amount you want to fund. You can say you want to fund 20,000. You can say you want to fund 20,000. You tap next. And when you tap next, it will show you the exchange rate. At this moment, you see dollar has even dropped. Now dollar is $1,598 and I mean 1,598 naira 50 kobo. So this is the exchange rate, and the fee you are going to pay for this is just 213 naira 80 kobo. So if you are paying this, you just tap on this. Why it's showing me this is because the market is already closed. So I want to go ahead and say, okay, I want to fund. So when you do this, it will generate a payment details for you to go ahead. You can now tap here. So it will generate payment account number. You can see now Sterling Bank account number, the beneficiary name Trove Trading Services Limited. So you can now go ahead and copy the account number. You make the transfer of 20,213 naira 80 kobo. So you make sure that is what you pay. So I'm not funding myself. I'm just using this to show you how you can fund your portfolio. So this is how it is. For any moment you want to buy any stock, how do you buy them? You can as well tap on this search button. You can see the different stock I have here, and say, okay, I want to buy Tesla, for instance. I want to buy this. Let me say, this is also Tesla is owned by Tesla Daily Target. This is an ETF of Tesla. It's an ETF of Tesla, and it's already trading high. So if I want to buy this particular stock, I will just go ahead and say, okay, I will tap and tap and say, okay, market order. I will say, go ahead, and then put the amount I have. For my buying power, I only have $3. I can say, okay, I want to put $2 and say, go ahead. You see, I'm already trying to buy a fraction 0.8888, that is the fraction of this stock if I'm buying this. So it's seamless and very, very simple. Then again, if you do not know how to do all this, it is important you can come to our office for us to guide you through. So guys, whatever it is, try to start building wealth by investing in potential stocks.